We've got a lot going on right now on Rollercoin with the shopping day progression event and also the 11/11 discount sale on the season and more. Let's check it all out right here on that Techo guy. Stay tuned. Okay, the shopping day progression event is now live on Rollercoin and we've got loads to cover. So on my screen here, you can see the game section of Rollercoin with the shopping day progression event banner at the top. If we click on more details, you can see that at the time of recording this video, there is just shy of 2 days remaining. This is a 2-day progression event which just started a few minutes ago, pretty much an hour ago. And as you can see, I currently also have a multiplier applied, and this was done with just 1 RLT. So there's a bit of a discount this time as well to get more of a multiplier, but we'll go in more detail on that a bit later on. The most powerful miner in this progression event is the RU Mana miner, which gives you 10 petahash in power, just shy, a very little bit less than 10 petahash, but we'll just round up and say 10 petahash per second, which is phenomenal. As you can see the quests below, get to a higher difficulty level in the game and you will get 500 points. When you spend 1 RLT anywhere except in the marketplace, you'll get 1000 points, and when you spend 1 RLT in the marketplace, that's 150 points. These points are all without the multiplier, so in my case I would need to do, for example, 500 times 1.2. The multiplier is valid for 1 hour, so I'm just going to do another multiplier now just to extend the time and bring that back up to 1 hour. So normally what I do is I go to the wallet. There is a 35% discount on Ethereum at the moment, as you can see, and that 35% discount will give you more of a multiplier by spending less of your crypto. So do leverage this discount while you can. And there is also a form below this video in the description below, and if you select my name, that Techo guy, as your YouTuber in that form and show all the evidence that you have deposited Ethereum and converted it to RLT for these 2 coming days that are coming, then you will be in the running to win back some RLT from me as well, okay? So be sure to fill in that form and have a chance to get some of that RLT back as well. So 1 RLT is what I'm going to convert. Let's see, Ethereum I've got 0.0099 at the moment. So if I convert some Ethereum, I can, okay? So I'm going to just do 1 for now. I'm going to accept the terms and I'm going to buy tokens. My multiplier went from 1.2 to 1.4, meaning with 1 RLT, you're increasing the multiplier by 0.2 times in this progression event. That means that if you spend 5 RLT, you will get a times 1 multiplier, whereas normally you would need to spend 10 RLT to get a times 1 multiplier. So this time there is a 50% discount on this conversion and to get more multipliers. So effectively you're getting double the multiplier when exchanging the same amount that you would normally exchange. So do definitely take note of that and leverage that 35% discount. Going back to the banner here, you can see that now my counter has reset just below 1 hour, 59 minutes remaining, and that is pretty much the time I have left with this times 1.4 multiplier. I'll leave that going down to 1 minute before I actually put in more RLT. So that's the way I always extend the time to keep my multiplier going, okay? So I don't lose the entire multiplier to try and make it to the very end. This is a very long progression event with 35 levels, so let's check out the list thanks to Piero. I've taken a couple of screenshots because it's not currently yet on Piero's site. So here we can see that the event is going on until the 13th of November until 3 p.m. UTC time. You can see that we start off with some RST at level 1. Here we can see we've got up to level 20 in this screenshot, and then we've got another screenshot with the remaining levels. So you can see that there is bonus power here at level 2 with 500 terahash for 7 days. We've got some RLT here at level 3 with 0.35 RLT. There's a couple of Burge edges here from level 4 to level 8. Some more temporary bonus power with 1 petahash for 7 days at level 9. RP Miner at level 10. That's the common version. And we've got the uncommon version at level 11. More RST with 100 RST at level 12. Hasher Rack 6, which will give you a 7% increase in the miners that you place on those rack. Smoking Hot Rod at level 14. And we've got at level 15 Twin Tire Driller with 114 terahash there. Another 500 RST at level 16. We've got the Ham Scan at level 17. And we've got the Commendatore at level 18 with 265 terahash. Neon Rack 8, which will give you a 6% increase in power for each and every miner that you place on that rack. And the Cup of Wisdom at level 20 with 600 terahash and 0.45% in bonus power. Moving on to the next screenshot, we can see that we have more bonus power at level 21, temporary bonus for another 7 days. This time it is 3 petahash. Ancient Apache at level 22, which will give you 341 terahash. Turbo Snail 384 terahash at level 23. Brush and Palette 700 terahash with 0.75% bonus attached to it at level 24. And we've got another 5 petahash in bonus power for a whole week at level 25. Laurel Reef at level 26 with 384 terahash. Pathoprobe 21 at level 27 with 442 terahash. Cup of Wisdom again, so you can merge it with the other Cup of Wisdom that you got earlier, and you'll get even more power and even more bonus power. There's a Festive Rack 8 at level 29 with a 7% bonus power, which will mean that will increase your minus power by 7% for each and every miner that you place on that rack. Classic Fury at level 30 with 418 terahash. Wednesday Frogo at level 31 with 0.5% bonus there and 416 terahash. Another brush and palette that you can merge with the one that you got in level 24. And here, this is level 32. RST, you get 1,200 RST at level 33, which is quite significant. At level 34, you get Techo 490 terahash with 0.45% bonus power attached to it. And last but not least, the Mega 10 petahash miner also has a 6.99% bonus power attached to it at level 35 with the Aurumania miner. Okay, that's level 35. So quite a long list indeed. Also, we can see on the homepage of Rollercoin that at the moment there is also the Secret of Legacy. So this is a Roller Million miner, which will give you 3 petahash. This is a legacy Roller Million miner. It's the uncommon version and it is the legacy version as well. You can get that for 169 Dodge. It'll give you a bonus power increase of 7.5%, which is quite significant. This also has just shy of 2 days remaining at the time of recording this video, meaning that it is as long as the progression event as well. And like I said, there is 3 petahash in power, so you can own this miner, which is the ultra rare Roller Million miner for 169 Dodge. Okay, so keep that one in mind as well. Going back to the homepage, we can see that at the moment as well, we've got another 2 days, just shy of 2 days remaining, 11/11 event discount. Okay, so that is the one that we can see here. If you click on that, just shy of 2 days, again, you can get all of the rewards with a 45% discount. Okay, so if you do get all rewards, here you can see it will cost $82, which will be equivalent to 82 RLT, which is much less than it would normally cost. Now, this is the price that I am getting. It should be the same for all of you as well. I don't know if it makes a difference of where you are up to, if it's going to offer different prices depending on where you've already gotten up to. I am currently at level 26 and these are the prices that I am being offered. Get all rewards and you can see that it is $82. I can spend like in Floorkey, I can spend it in Shiba Inu, I can spend one Litecoin and get it. I mean, you can choose between all the different cryptocurrencies, but you cannot get this with RLT itself. You do need to use crypto in order to be able to get this, okay? So, for example, I've got Solana. It would cost me 0.4 Sol in order to get this, which will be equivalent to around $82 at the time of recording this video, at the time of the rates that you can see as well, and at the time that the market is the rate of the market as well. Okay, so that's the season pass discount. You can get all rewards. You won't need to do all the daily quests and weekly quests anymore, because they'll just give you all of the rewards remaining straight away. See if it's worth it for you or not, but that is quite a good discount that is going on for another almost 2 days as well. Okay, so all of these events are going to end at the same time. If we go back to the homepage here, we can see that there are also bundle offers, 11/11 bundle offers. So if we click on this, we can see that there is crypto extra bundle here at the very top. You can get 5.85 petahash for these ancient vases with 4% attached to them. You can get 2 sets of those, okay? So you can get 2 miners of those vases, okay? Turbo Hex, 2 of those as well. You can get the common wire times 4,500, 14,000 hash boards, and the green silk, which gives you 15% increase in power for each and every miner that you place on this green silk, with a 35% discount of 435 TRX. You don't need to use TRX, you can use other forms of payment as well. If you go further down here, you can see there is some smaller bundles in RLT as well, but the most bang for your buck will be the 35% discount using TRX. So a lot going on at the moment when it comes to using your crypto on Rollercoin. I suspect that this is down to the fact that crypto has currently gone up in price. Here you can diversify and use different types of crypto. At the same time, Rollercoin are giving you the option to use several different types of crypto. So Doge, Tron, Ethereum, okay? You can use different types and get different rewards. So what else do we have on the homepage? So we can see that there is also a race tournament going on. In order for you to unlock this race tournament, basically you would need to buy and exchange some of your crypto to RLT. As soon as you exchange, so you have actually need to exchange at least 3 RLT for you to be able to unlock the race. Okay, so you need to exchange from any crypto that you want 3 RLT. I would obviously do that with Ethereum, because obviously you're going to get more and you're going to be spending less of your crypto. So keep that in mind and try and use that Ethereum. And also remember to fill in that form below this video for your chance to win some RLT from me as well. Okay, so if I exchange just 1 more RLT here, because I've already done 2, I've done 1 earlier before the video, and I've done 1 with you guys already, and I'm going to do that not in TRX but in Ethereum, because obviously I want that discount. Buy tokens, change to 1.6. I've extended some more time. Obviously I could have done this a bit later on to extend even more time, but that's fine. I'm going to be putting in more of a bulk in Ethereum as well, so I can get that progression event done and dusted as well, hopefully. So now if I go back to the home page, we can see that now I'm at level 22 because I've unlocked the race tournament. And you can see at top place, we've got McKnight Woodard. Okay, he's got 302,000 at the moment points. I've got 3,000. So this person actually did exchange an equivalent of 302 RLT. Okay, so from crypto to RLT, remember that 35% discount. If you click on the first reward, this is the shop space. It cannot be sold, and it will give you a mega 10 petahash in power as well. Remember that the race tournament is only for 1 day. Time of recording this video, there are 22 hours and 43 minutes remaining, so it's not as long as the progression events, but you can get some cool rewards here. Okay, even at second place you can get the amethyst here. You get 1 of those, 3,600 RST and 10 petahash in temporary bonus power. For the first place, you get 4,000 RST. Okay, so do your best to try and get through this race event as well by purchasing and exchanging some of your crypto to RLT. So that is pretty much it for all of the events. I think I've summed them all up. I hope that you found this video useful. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please do so down below. Smash the like button and hit that notification bell to be notified when new videos do come out on my channel. And until next time, take very good care of yourselves, and thanks for watching.